Go get it. Go get it. Give me that wheel. Give me that. Ready? Get it. She's teasing Princess. Get it, Princess. Go get it. Go get it. He's gonna get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Will. Just, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Ready? Get it. Good girl. Give me that. Give me that. Ready? Get it. Excuse me. Look at a baby. She's so funny. Princess, are you gonna bark all day or are you gonna get it? You gonna get it? Give me that whip. Give me that whip. Give me that whip. He's so funny. You are so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at your little face. Oh, baby. Princess, stop barking. Give me that. All right. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Ready? Get it. Hey, baby. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Ready? Get it. Oh, are we done? Stop. Are we done playing? It's so nice and cool out this morning. I guess Wu's feeling frisky. So I'm sitting over there enjoying my coffee this morning. And Princess brought her little baby outside. And Wu ran and grabbed it and took off. And so I had my phone, so I got it out and started recording. Stop it, Princess. So you guys could see some morning playtime. It's probably 50, maybe 55 degrees out this morning. It's so wonderful. Oh, there's a breeze. Yes. And I am in my slippers, but no jacket. Because it's too nice. I've been waiting for this weather all year. I think we get 2 cold days. So I'm going to take, Princess is still in heat. So I think I'm going to take Wu for a walk. It's so nice out. Get some energy out. She likes to play. So she's watching Daddy. He's leaving for work. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Princess, stop it. Princess. Now you guys can see what I have to go through. Princess won't leave Wu alone. All right, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day wherever you may be. And Wu's gonna say, Woo out.